guys, like na here we stop the last time. So we don't put this basic stuff. So we could start the run the HTML markup. Now one of the I just want to show now some of the simple stuff. For HTML, we get different kind of elements. So HTML they divided into elements, as in they work with elements. So anything where you mark up, you will consider them as elements. For example, now maybe we want one paragraph. So we just mark up like this. We'll get opening. See paragraphs. So the markup for paragraph now P. See how they open them. Then to close them. So just saying at the end of the paragraph it is. See number. Beginning of paragraph, end of paragraph. So now so this now we call them elements. So now we don't create one element now. So in this case, this is now paragraph elements. So nothing special. So when I just run them here, simple. So now we don't tell the browser say okay, oh, this is now paragraph element. Other elements they maybe you want heading. Maybe I just want to give them one heading called HTML. If you just come now, heading now we get from H1 to H6. So if I come here, I just say H1 and the starting with this. I don't tell and say okay, oh, now here H1 end. It makes sense to always put this ending. If not, if you mix one element with another element. So like now we see about H1 HTML. We'll see them now. See how this one big because now heading H1. So this heading we get like from H1 to H6. So H6 now like the smallest. If I come here I say HTML heading 6, then I close them H6. So I save them. Correct. You say H6 now the smallest, H1 now the biggest. It don't mean say no if you make them big. We'll get to that side, but you don't see them from H1 to H6 now heading. So we get different kind elements like that. So you now as you write the HTML, which is just write a different element. So we get normal element like this. Then we get some elements what they call they call them open elements because they don't need opening and closing. Maybe for example I want to put picture now. If you just the name of the markup for picture now IMG. So if I just come here IMG, simple. So this one don't need open and close because no they put any content. You say this one a paragraph get content, image no get content, image we need something. Another thing. So image like this don't do like this now. Now closing now element with that you get the gist. But this thing never complete. We get to tell the computer where the image there. So we use what they call attributes. So attributes they tell us more about an element. They will give us more information about the elements. Now the only way the browser knows say we won't put one image somewhere, but you don't know where it is. So we get to tell them where the image is. So if you see this folder where we work with now, I put one folder images. I can put some images there. Okay, make I call this books.jpg for inside the images folder. So if you just come here straight up, if you just say source like SLC, tell them where the image is. So I go say they're inside images folder, books.jpg. Then I save them. Since I don't need opening and closing, I come here. See the thing just enter straight up. So that's all the thing just be. So we get different type tag now. Open tag, opening, open tags, and we get this normal tags like that. So different tags there. So when you work with HTML, now those different markup you go know. So now those different tags will take markup everything with it. But true, I don't be like this HTML supposed to get away they take structure so the thing will make sense where okay. So guys, for now we'll just stop.